Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture, we will create an easy-to-use project database. This course is not just about teaching you how to operate tools, it's about working on projects and learning how to use the tools along the way. Learning becomes much more profound when you have a clear purpose in mind. First, we need a project requirement. In a real project, the requirement might come from the client. However, considering the unique nature of this course, I'll guide you through creating a set of requirements together. For example, we can start by having Bing or another AI assistant generate a prompt instruction for us. Then, we can use this prompt to ask ChatGPT to provide us with a detailed character profile. Our first instruction looks like this. Please give me a prompt that I can tell ChatGPT to generate a vivid character setting. This is the character profile instruction generated by Bing for us. Now let's use this instruction to request ChatGPT to create a vivid character setting. ChatGPT has already generated the character setting. For those who are interested, you can take a look at it later. I'll place the original character setting in the Courses Resources folder. The text generated by ChatGPT can sometimes get a bit lengthy, especially since we're not writing a novel here. So, we can simply ask ChatGPT to help us trim it down with a command like this. You can see that ChatGPT has already helped us simplify the character setting. Next, we will use Notion, a free online note-taking app, to manage our project. If you are already using a similar app or simply do not want to use Notion, it's okay because this course primarily focuses on the mindset and methodology of project development. When you first open Notion, you should see a screen like this. Here, I will primarily tell you how to create a character database. Other functions within Notion will not be covered here because Notion offers plenty of beginner guides. If you are interested, you can explore those guides later on. Now let's begin creating the character database. Click on New Page here to create a new page. The page title should be Character Database. Next, click on Empty Page. Type / on your keyboard. Typing this symbol allows you to insert various types of content. Type Data and then click on Database Inline. This way, you've inserted an inline database. You can see that its structure resembles a table. Since this is a character database, there may be many characters. We can hide the title of this table by clicking the 3 dots icon and selecting Hide Database Title. Click on the Open button here to open the sidebar, and then click on Open in Full Page. The next step is to extract the information from the character setting that ChatGPT provided and input it into Notion. Copy the first attribute. Go back to Notion. Click on Add Property, choose Text for the type. Paste the attribute name and hit Enter. Repeat this process for the other attributes. I suggest keeping the character's background story. Although it can't be considered an attribute and contains more content, this type of information usually helps us better understand the character. So, let's record it separately. Here, I input 2 hash symbols, then press the spacebar to make it a level 2 heading. Enter background story, and paste the information provided by ChatGPT. Next, paste the content of all the attributes into their respective fields. And you've successfully created an initial character information database. Back in the character database, you can see that our character has been added. We don't need the tag for now, so you can click on it and choose Delete. If you find the width too narrow, you can click on the three dots in the upper right corner and choose Full Width. You can also collapse the left sidebar. This way, the database will take up more visual space on one page, allowing you to easily compare the characteristics of different characters or their relationships as you add more characters. When creating a new character, you only need to click the New button or find an empty row to open the character creation page. You'll notice that all the previously added attribute names are already there, making it easy to fill in the details for the new character. And if you prefer a dark mode user interface, you can follow these steps to enable it. That's it. You've enabled dark mode. Alright, remember to create your own character database after, and I will see you in the next lecture.